In the automobile engineering drawing, exercise number 2, universal coupling, the first part is fork. Let us start creating a part, 3D part modeling a fork. Okay. As usual, let us hide this all and create a point 0, 0, 0. Okay. And with this point, let us insert an axis system. Origin is point. Okay. Let's insert some four bodies. Okay. Let's start with body 2. Let's draw the first sketch here and display as usual. Let's hide this. This is of a triangle, rectangle, and in the rectangle let's hide the default constraints. The rectangle, this one should be 57, this one should be 84. Okay, then constrain this to this axis at 84 divided by 242, and this to this 57 divided by 2. Okay, go back and extrude, create a pad of in the reverse direction at 16 mm. Okay, now draw another sketch. Let's add this body, assemble this body to the part body. Okay, now let us work in this body 3. Again, let's create one sketch in this plane. Let's hide it, draw a circle of diameter 57. Okay, and the circle of another circle without referring, another circle of 30 dia. Okay, let us constrain this to this plane and coincident the center point of the circle to the z-axis, and this you should see. Okay, let's extrude it, create a pad at a distance of 54 mm. Okay, now preview it. Okay, now you assemble the unit in this body with the part body and remove this face, remove this face. No, it's not working. Okay, cancel. This 54 mm. Edit the definition, but this should be this way. Okay, now union trim this body with the part body. Okay, remove this face. Okay, okay, now it's done. Let's create in this geometric geometric set a plane. Okay, at a distance of 84 divided by 2, so 42 mm. Keep it there. and choose a body and create a sketch. Okay, as usual, let's hide this. Okay, let's try a circle of radius 60 mm, right? Okay, and another circle of diameter, okay, 60 in dia. Okay, let's make this circle center point and this point to coincident, and center point of the circle to the z axis at a distance of 18 mm, right? 18 mm. In the same way, center point to this x-axis to coincident, and center point of the circle to the z-axis is 24. Sorry, 18. Okay. Now everything seems okay. Draw a rough line without referring to this. As usual, it's hide the default constraint created by the scale system. Okay, and dimension it. They should be 57, right? And from this point to this is x-axis. To this x-axis it should be 57 divided by 2. Done. And from this to the z axis, okay, let's go and pick up, should be coincident. It's done. Now draw two lines tangent to the end to tangent to the circle. Okay, no problem, let's edit it later. Okay, let's see. Done. Okay, this one is 40 dia and 16 dia. Okay, that's why this dia instead of 60 should be 40. Okay, now it's okay. Now let us erase the unwanted stuffs. This one, we don't need. Extra looks fine. Okay, visit the sketch and create a pad at a distance of 14 mm in the reverse direction. Okay, and mirror this body to this plane. Okay, now assemble this body to the part body. That's okay. And then in this plane under this body, let's create a sketch. Okay, let's create a sketch, a small rectangle. As usual, let's hide the default constraints. This dimensions be 8 mm. This is what our key way, 8 mm. Let's keep 4 mm. Okay, and just position this to this axis at a distance of 16. So 16. Oh no, it's 30 day, right? So 15. So let's keep it 14.5. And to this line to this, it should be 8 by 2, so 4 mm. Now it looks okay. Let's keep it as it is. Okay. Exit the sketch. Create a pad in the reverse direction at 54 mm length. Preview okay. Now this body needs to be removed. Remove this body from the part body. Okay. Preview okay. That's all. We have done 3D part modeling of fork. Okay, the final feature, we can give a round, we can give a edge fillet of 5 mm radius at this edge and at this edge. Okay, done. Okay, this is what our 3D part modeling of the fourth part and the universal coupling assembly. Okay, thank you for watching.